In today's video, we are going to learn how to make delicious pancake. So starting off, I'm putting my baking powder into my flour. Then I added sugar to taste. Make sure your sugar is well sieved and make sure your flour is also well sieved so as to avoid unwanted particles. Afterwards, I added my pinch of salt. Then I put aside, and into another bowl I added 2 eggs. Then I poured full cream milk into it. Then I mixed together. You can either use fork or use your whisk. Anyone is cool with it. Here I used my fork. After mixing, I added to my flour. So after adding, I mix it all together. Here you're almost done. It's a pancake, and this is all the ingredients you need for your pancake. So you mix very well, mix till it blend into it very well, till it looks so nice, succulent. Just see how nice it is. So you just have to keep on mixing. Mix, and when it starts to bring out bubbles, you know that this is the perfect mixer. So it will bring out some little bubbles. Then afterwards I added my oil into my frying pan with low heat. As you can see, low heat. You let it sit for some time before flipping. Then by then it would have been golden brown. It will look just so crispy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know where you are watching this video from. Have a nice time. Watch out for our next video. This was so good.